Are you tired of sky-high electricity bills? Look no further than Ecoplex, your trusted energy experts dedicated to transforming the way you create and use power. We are Ireland's leading renewable energy company with over 10,000 installations since 2020. We offer a range of services personalised to your needs. From solar PV panels to EV car chargers and heat pumps, we've got you covered. Whether it's harnessing the power of the sun or upgrading to energy-efficient technology, Ecoplex has the solutions you need to save money and the environment. Curious about how we can help you with solar PV panels? It's simple. At Ecoplex, we make the process hassle-free from start to finish. We'll walk your property or provide a virtual survey, discuss your energy needs, and design a customised system just for you. Plus, we'll handle all the paperwork, including your SEAI grant application, so you can sit back and relax. Ready to harness the power of the sun and start saving? Contact our expert team today for your free quote with no strings attached. Visit us online at www.ecoplexenergy.ie. Let Ecoplex be your partner in creating a brighter, more sustainable future. Don't wait. Reach out to us now and take the first step towards energy independence.